Hey guys, cześć, dzień dobry, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how do you register your vehicle in Poland. So today in this video I'm going to cover these topics, what are the documents required for the registration of vehicle in Poland, second, how to fill the form for the registration of vehicle, and how to make the payment and go to the Orzond office to submit this application about the process. So if you have purchased this vehicle from someone else, like if it's a used vehicle, then you must have got this Umowa Sprzedaży Samochodu. This is just a contract which the previous owner of the car will sign, and it contains all the details about the car. So and like that he has sold this car to you. So this is one of the document that you would need, Umowa Sprzedaży Samochodu. The second one is dowód rejestracyjny. So he would also provide you with this document which is known as registration document. It contains all the history of the previous owners, like if there are multiple owners or he's the first owner, so when did he purchase this vehicle, and what was the date of registration of the vehicle. The third one is Karta Pojazdu. So he will also provide you this Karta Pojazdu, and it also contains the date of registration, date of purchase of vehicle, and other details, and who was the owner. So this is the third document. The fourth one you would need is the you need to take your number plates, because when you are doing a re-registration of the vehicle, then you need to take these number plates to the office and they will provide you the new number plates. One is opłata, which is a receipt of the payment. So generally for re-registration it will take around 180 zloty. You can make this payment in that office, and I'm going to show you when I'll go to the office and make this payment. So basically you will need these 5 documents. First of them is dowód rejestracyjny. Second is Karta Pojazdu. Third is your Umowa Sprzedaży Samochodu, which is the selling contract. And fourth one is your number plates, and fifth one is the payment receipt. And now I'm going to show you what are the elements of these forms and how to fill this form.
So guys, let's start with the form from the top. Here I will type my name. This goes for the address, for example, here you need to write your parcel number. So just like a simple parcel number I'm writing here, you can write your own parcel number. This is on the right side, you can see is the place. Here you will, if you are in Warsaw, you will type the Warsaw and like today's date. So if today's date is like 12/10/2021, yeah. Here you will write the address of Orzond. So in this case our Orzond will be Orzond Śródmieście, and its address is Leona Kruczkowskiego 2. So this is the address you have to go if you are in Warsaw, because for foreigners they can submit their registration form only at this office. And you will write the PIN, which is 00412 for this place, and Warsaw, right? So the first portion of this form is completed. Now come to below, Here you need to write, you actually need to select, underline what are you doing, what is this, what are you submitting this form for. So this is for registration, right? Probably I'll take a bigger size here. Yeah, so underline this registration and this Onabichu. Then again, this is the place you will write this is for you. So also way, just fill the form exactly what I'm how I'm filling, but not like this. Here you need to write the mark and type and model of the car, like for example if it is a BMW M8 or if it's a Ford or Mercedes or Audi, anything. And rok produksi is the year of production. So for example if it's a 2019, type 2019. Now on the fourth number you need to write the VIN number. VIN number is the unique number for each car. You can find it on the car or on your document. So here I'll just write down any simple VIN number. Fifth number is dodecasove numero registrazione. Yeah. So this is your the registration number of the number plates. For example, WX1, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number registration number written on your car's number plate. Number karta pojazdu, so you will find it inside your karta pojazdu. There would be a unique number for that. For example, any particular number here. And in this seventh one you again have to you are doing it for the Nabichia, and just this is the date you have purchased your car. So for example I have purchased it on 2021, yeah, 1st October. Now go to this section. This is just they are asking what are the documents you are submitting with your registration form. So as I have mentioned already, first document is your Dawood Reyes Traseine. Yes. Second document is your Karta Pojazdu. Third document is Umowa Sprzedaży Samochodu. It's the contract of the selling of the car. And the fourth one is your Tablice Registrazione. This is the tablet, or you can say the number plates or registration number plates. And fifth one is Opuvate, which is the receipt of the payment you are making for the registration of this car, which is around 180 zloty. Here you will sign your with your signature, and I think this form is filled. You can fill this form with a pen and just go to the Srodniewski office and submit it. So this is Leona Kruchkovskiy 2, and this is the building of the district office of Srodniewski. So for foreigners to submit the car registration application, they have to come to this Urząd, not their nearby Urząd. Ulica Kruchkovskiego. This is the one where you can submit the application for re-registration of your car. If you don't have the registration form, you can come here and take the form from here. This is the one, registración. And then you can take the token, fill out the form and wait for you. So once you are in, you need to come here and take this J for vehicle registration. You will get this token and then you will have to wait in the line. after taking token you can just do it here and people will call you from there. So in this machine you can always select your language, English, then go to the charges and then go to the registration and select re-registration, go to next, re-registration of the car with changes of tables, write your name, the value is 180 zloty. So after entering all the data I'll click on next. So on clicking next it will show you the summary, then you can click on next as well, and now you have to make the payment. Then I can just enter my PIN. So this is the Upate, and I will just end this transaction. So this is the Upate I need to submit. So guys, after a long wait I submitted my application and they gave me my new number plates today, and I just have to come back after 2 weeks just to collect my Dovud Registraseine and Karta Pojazdu. So the work here is done, the application is submitted, and this is how you re-register your purchased car. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you find it useful, please let me know in the comment section. Share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you find it useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Do widzenia.